Tell me something, my friend. When was the last time you woke up in the morning feeling like yourself again? You know that quiet moment when you roll over, stretch, and think, yeah, I've still got it. If it's been a while, you're not broken, you're not too old. You might just be running low on the very nutrients your body needs to stay strong, vital, and confident. And tonight, I'll show you exactly how to bring that power back, naturally. I'm Dr. Rabeeca Ross, a board-certified urologist who spent over 12 years helping men rebuild their hormones, energy, and circulation without pills, pumps, or awkward fixes. Today, I'm revealing the 3 nighttime vitamins that can quietly reignite your body's natural strength while you sleep. Stay with me to the end, because you'll learn how these nutrients work together, the right way to take them, and how a few small bedtime habits can help you wake up feeling stronger, steadier, and more alive than you felt in years. And hey, before we start, hit that like button, subscribe for clear, science-based men's health tips, and comment below where you're watching from. I love seeing where our community of strong, driven men is tuning in from. Let's get real. Morning erections aren't just about desire. They're a reflection of your health. They're your body's silent report card. When your hormones, circulation, and nervous system are in sync, your mornings are strong and natural. But when those fade, it's your body's way of whispering, hey, something inside needs your attention. Now here's the good news. Your body hasn't forgotten how to perform. It just needs the right tools to remember. And those tools are simple nutrients, the kind that rebuild you quietly while you sleep. Over the years, I've seen the same story play out again and again. Men walk into my office saying, Doc, I think I've lost it. They feel drained, unmotivated, and disconnected. But after checking their blood work, I almost always see the same pattern. Low vitamin D, low magnesium, low vitamin C. When we correct those levels, boom, their mornings, their drive, their confidence come right back. Let's break it down. 3. Vitamin D, the hormone switch. They call it the sunshine vitamin, but after 50, most men just don't get enough sunlight, and your skin becomes less efficient at making it anyway. Nearly half of men over 50 are low in vitamin D. Here's why that matters. Vitamin D is like the foreman of your hormonal factory. Without it, your body struggles to turn cholesterol into testosterone. Low D means low drive, lower muscle mass, and weaker mornings. But raise your vitamin D levels, and suddenly your body remembers how to build testosterone again. Energy rises, blood vessels relax, confidence returns. Here's the trick most labels never tell you. Vitamin D is fat-soluble. That means if you swallow it with just water in the morning, you're wasting most of it. Take it with dinner, especially if you're eating healthy fats like salmon, avocado, or eggs. Those fats act like a delivery truck driving D straight into your tissues. And here's why nighttime timing matters. Your body does most of its hormone repair during sleep. Feed it vitamin D at night, and you're fueling that repair right on schedule. Men who do this tell me, Dr. Ross, my mornings feel different, stronger, steadier, like the old me. And honestly, that quiet confidence changes everything. 2. Magnesium, the deep sleep powerhouse. If vitamin D is the foreman, magnesium is the electrician keeping your system running smoothly. It's involved in more than 300 chemical reactions, including testosterone production, muscle function, and nerve control. When magnesium is low, your testosterone becomes less usable, like having a full tank of gas but a clogged engine. It also keeps your arteries flexible. When arteries stiffen, blood flow slows, and you know what that means. Now here's the beauty of taking magnesium before bed. It's the ultimate relaxation mineral. It calms your muscles, soothes your nerves, and tells your body, hey, it's time to rest. That deep, uninterrupted sleep, that's when your testosterone factory works overtime. So magnesium doesn't just help you sleep better, it helps you recover stronger. Most of my patients take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate before bed, not oxide or citrate, which can upset your stomach. Within weeks, they notice deeper sleep, stronger mornings, and even better moods. Remember, better sleep equals more testosterone. More testosterone equals better everything. 1. Vitamin C, the circulation guardian. Most people think vitamin C is just for your immune system. But for men, it's one of the best circulation boosters out there. Vitamin C helps your body make nitric oxide, the magic molecule that opens up your blood vessels and lets blood flow easily where it needs to go. Without it, even strong desire can't translate into firmness. It also shields your arteries from oxidative stress, basically the rust that hardens your blood vessels over time. Vitamin C neutralizes that rust, keeping your circulation smooth and responsive. Inside the testes, it acts like armor, protecting the delicate cells that make testosterone. That means steadier hormone levels, less fatigue, and faster recovery. Since vitamin C is water-soluble, your body uses what it needs and flushes the rest. So instead of one big dose in the morning, split it, half in the morning, half at night, to keep protection running 24/7. You'll notice subtle but powerful changes: warmer hands and feet, more energy during workouts, faster recovery, and yes, stronger morning performance. So let's connect this puzzle. Vitamin D wakes up your hormones. Magnesium powers your sleep and testosterone. Vitamin C keeps your blood vessels young and flexible. Together, they create the perfect overnight environment for your body to rebuild its natural strength, one night at a time. Here's exactly how to do it. During dinner, take your vitamin D with a meal that includes healthy fats. About 30 minutes before bed, take magnesium glycinate. Split your vitamin C, half in the morning, half at night. Give your body 3 to 4 weeks of consistency. Most men notice subtle changes early on, but the real transformation happens over months, as your system slowly rebuilds its balance. And don't forget the basics. Drink water, eat real food, move your body. Avoid too much alcohol or late-night sugar spikes. Vitamins can't outwork a bad lifestyle. They amplify a good one. And if you're thinking, Dr. Ross, maybe it's too late for me, I promise you it's not. I've worked with men in their 60s and 70s who thought their spark was gone, until their bodies reminded them just how capable they still are. Age might change your chemistry, but it doesn't erase your design. You were built to be strong, responsive, confident. Each morning you wake up a little stronger, a little more alive. That's proof your system is rebuilding. And that quiet pride, that confidence, it spreads into everything. Your posture, your relationships, your drive. So here's my challenge for you tonight. Take that first small step. Add your vitamin D with dinner. Take your magnesium before bed. Keep your vitamin C steady. And then, let sleep do the rest. Because age isn't the end of vitality. It's the start of wisdom. And with the right support, that wisdom can come with strength, energy, and the calm pride of a body that still works exactly as nature intended. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest, science-based advice from me, Dr. Rabeeca Ross, and share this with a friend who needs to hear that his best years aren't behind him. They're waiting to be reawakened. Take care of yourself tonight, and I'll see you in the next one.